The feline and the Bodhisattva, exploring the correspondences. The feline, known for its grace and agility, has been revered throughout history in various cultures and traditions. Similarly, in Buddhist philosophy, the Bodhisattva is a figure of reverence who embodies compassion and wisdom. Although seemingly unrelated, there are several ways in which the feline and the Bodhisattva correspond. Firstly, both the feline and the Bodhisattva are associated with a sense of inner peace and tranquility. The feline is known for its ability to remain calm and composed, even in the face of danger or chaos. Similarly, the Bodhisattva is believed to have achieved a state of inner peace and detachment from worldly desires, enabling them to embody compassion and wisdom. Both the feline and the Bodhisattva demonstrate the importance of cultivating a sense of inner calm and mindfulness in order to navigate the complexities of life. Secondly, the feline and the Bodhisattva are both associated with a sense of mystery and enigma. The feline has long been viewed as a mysterious and elusive creature, with its silent movements and penetrating gaze. Similarly, the Bodhisattva is often viewed as a figure of mystery and wonder, with their profound insights and ability to transcend the limitations of the physical world. Both the feline and the Bodhisattva invite us to explore the mysteries of life and to embrace the unknown with curiosity and wonder. Thirdly, both the feline and the Bodhisattva embody a sense of independence and self-sufficiency. The feline is known for its ability to hunt and survive on its own, relying on its instincts and intuition to navigate the world. Similarly, the Bodhisattva is believed to have achieved a sense of self-mastery and autonomy, enabling them to act with compassion and wisdom without being swayed by external influences. Both the feline and the Bodhisattva demonstrate the importance of cultivating a sense of self-reliance and self-sufficiency in order to live a fulfilling and meaningful life. In conclusion, the feline and the Bodhisattva correspond in several ways, including their association with inner peace and tranquility, their sense of mystery and enigma, and their embodiment of independence and self-sufficiency. By exploring these correspondences, we can deepen our understanding of these two figures and draw inspiration from their wisdom and insights.